Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store if it keeps stopping or stopped working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's first hop out of the Google Play Store and instead open up a web browser. I would highly recommend first checking to see if it's an issue with the Google Play Store servers. To do that, all we're going to do is type in Google Play Status. And then let's go to the Google Play Status dashboard. And you're going to zoom in on here and check to see if there's any issues with the Google Play Store on the server side. If there is, you just need to wait till it's back up and running. But if that looks good, the next thing we'll do is swipe up and open up the Settings app on your phone. After you've done that, let's just scroll down until we find Apps on this list and tap on it. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to two different apps and do a couple things. The first one is Google Play Services. Let's tap on that. And then let's scroll down from here, tap on where it says Storage. And then we're going to clear the cache and clear the data. By going through this process, it helps to fix any kind of bug or glitch in the Google Play Services, which kind of works in the background of the Google Play Store. But we'll also do the same steps for the Google Play Store. So let's go back and tap on the Google Play Store as well. We'll scroll down and tap on Storage. And we're going to clear the cache and then clear the data for the Google Play Store. Now, after you've done that, I would highly recommend just closing out of everything and then pressing and holding on that side button to restart your phone. After you've done that, you should be able to hop back into the Google Play Store and it should be working, downloading apps, updating apps, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.